Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Big Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And we provide different solutions related to Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping, SEO, Facebook Ads. So I am here with another case study regarding Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended for misrepresentation. And guys, that so far after doing hundreds of cases, even now we can say thousands of cases, still every case is a new learning, and every case is somewhat different than the other one. So here, it's another case study, and it's going to be a different one. So I'm sharing with you, few of the things as well, along with the website, so you guys have an idea on, So I'm gonna copy and show to you the first of all their website, and then I can discuss regarding the merger set suspension or everything. So this was their site, and they provide home and outdoor furniture and different services over here. You can see this is their website, and this is created and built on Shopify, and you can see targeting USA, and everything was over there. So what when they assigned the project to us, I'm going to show you their suspended status, and then I can discuss more. So this was their account. You can see the account had active free listings, and then suddenly, because the account went into suspension, so all in the red line. The account was being labeled with misrepresentation. This is another picture of them, and this one is account suspended for policy violation, with 25 products being suspended and in United States. Okay. So with recent communication with the client on the changes, what they did, and then I can suggest you something with we did as well. So the first thing was the communication provided by client. Okay, so the client actually helped us with few of the data, like they removed all the placeholder tags from code base, added SKUs to all products, updated product schema to include missing attributes, SKU, merchant return policy, shipping details, added newsletter to bottom of page, updated time zone from EST to PT to match Seattle location where they were originally targeting and reflected in GMC shipping. Also disallow fonts in robots.txt to enable 0404 links found, because sometimes it's a links found is also an issue. Updated billings terms and conditions to list out payments in the exact order of icons. Rephrased privacy policy, as 68% of it was detected as plagiarized. Rephrase the terms and conditions, as 73% was detected as plagiarized. Okay, that been working with Google Merchant Center accounts, and we have so far developed like 170 plus steps checklist to figure out what exactly can suspend your account. Whenever we get a new case, we look around on the robots.txt file, we do our own research, we even do for bad links, bad any issue, linking error, we even do the sample checkout process. Like what I'm going to do is I'm going to select multiple products to see if all are being added. Okay, sometimes it happens is like when you added two or more, you get a specific discount, so we also look around with that as well. Okay, you can see over here as well, I'm trying to add it. Okay, to see any issues over here, then you can see over here, if I go to the continue shopping, any issues over there, is the newsletter working or not, is this email working or not, is this phone number working or not, is this address a valid location or not, return refund policy page, everyone, even the payments listed over here are being right or wrong, operated by ecom LLC, is it a right LLC or wrong, who is this, any proof for they own it or not. So we try to go investigate as much possible as we can to go to the insights to learn around. We even look around on the order tracking button if it's working right or not. In case if it's any wrong email, or even if it's change of an email, for instance, you are showing your email over here like support at Fnatic, and on the contact us page you have a different email, or on about us you have a different email. We every try to track everything over here. We even I will ask the right tracking number from them to see over here as well, to see the tracking system working or not, to see if it has any issues or not. Again, it's a teamwork, so not I do not do all the work, but rather my team, who along with me assist on these as well. Even if I look around on the fact page, even the claims are being done properly or not. If I will move back to this over here, you can see over here the checkout procedures by Shop Pay, Google Pay, the payment listed methods on the website are being reflected over here or not, the express checkout is working right or wrong, the credit card system is working well, even the policies link pages over here are being rightly being shown on the website as well. Okay, so these are all the things which we are gonna do, which we're gonna suggest, which we're gonna look around as well to see on what kind of error if our website has. So again, it requires a huge working and huge audit, and again credits to my team who work along with me to make it sure there are nothing such issues. Even further, we did another audit as well, and I'm going to show you that audit as well, so you guys can have an idea on how deeper we go. We also suggested adding a business name and email in the header. Okay, we suggested an email. Okay, email status, everything. Landing pages, we got few suggestions are over there. We also suggest some adding some pages in the footer, like do not sell my information, return and refund policy should have separate pages, disclaimer page. There was no social media icon in contact us page, and about us page and contact us page should also be interlinked as well. So again, it has a 170 plus checkout steps which we work around. But again, the client information also helped this. Along with this, because we are a Google partner company, we have a separate channel with the Google. We constantly ever in chat, in discussion with Google regarding what's the status on our account. So that is very important, how your communication with Google is regarding your suspension removal, because we are trained, my staff is trained, we also have a Google partner badge, so that also helps. We also have a dedicated manager. Everything helps in the process of restoring your account. And then we had another audit done as well, again, because we have a several staff doing it, so sometimes if a guy missing it, the other guy can catch it up, and because different views have different angles, so we have multiple staff doing the audit for each project to figure out another aspect over there. So he also claimed regarding no email received after subscribing the newsletter. Even we look around on that aspect as well. Essential pages were missing, track order page was missing, which was later being added, contact us page, site speed. We also look around on the mobile speeds, social media profiles. We even cross check and examine the social media pages as well. If your website is being mentioned, is they look like a professional page? Is everything related to your business is mentioned on the social media pages, or something is different being mentioned over there? And then the social media pages are active or not, have a following, post, everything looks like a professional approach or not. So after doing all these setups and after doing all these audits, and then there was a day when finally we got an approval from the Google team regarding the account is no longer suspended. And then you can see over here as well, the message is being shown over here, like the accounts have an active items. You can see over here we got an approval, then suddenly it was a disapproval as well, but we got it back again approved, because it was a manual approval done from the Google team. And the best thing was that we didn't done it even by doing it the request review button, but we got it manually reviewed through the Google team. And another aspect, you can see over here the ads are being running right now. You can see that they were running before, then the account went into suspension, and now it's running perfectly fine over here as well. And the best thing was that the client gave us a very good review as well, which I wanted to show with you guys as well. And in case if you are looking for a professional help regarding Google Merchant Center account suspensions, Google Ads audit, Google Ads campaign setup, me and my team can help you. But look at the review first. Okay, so this is the review we got for this case on Upwork. Okay, A plus 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 reviews. I cannot express how grateful I am for Ali's incredible work on unbanning my Google Merchant Center account. Okay, thank you. All credits to my team. After spending months and wasting a lot of money on several agencies and freelancers, Ali was the only one who could resolve this issue. My store had been banned multiple times for misrepresentation. And even after one agency managed to unban it, it only lasted for 3 weeks before getting banned again. No one could figure out what was wrong with the store. Then I hired Ali and he worked his magic. Again, credits to my team. His expertise and genuine shone through immediately. He meticulously examined the store. Incredibly, Ali unbanned my GMC account the very next day, even with my account being on cooldown. Okay, we cannot claim every time that we can restore the accounts in the cooldown, but definitely we can try it around. Ali's deep understanding of GMC policies and his methodical approach are unmatched. He's truly a master at what he does. If you're struggling with a banned GMC account, I highly recommend hiring Ali. Great communication and great results. So yeah, this was a review, and the review made our day because it's provided a lot of motivation for me and my team. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account restoration. So if you are looking for a professional help regarding GMC restoration, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. We're gonna make sure to create an awesome Google Ads or Google Merchant Center account for you. And if you are looking for a suspension restoration, definitely we should be your go-to guy for this as well. And we have worked with various clients, companies, and our reviews speaks for ourselves. And we are also a Google partner company. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.